Welcome to my kitchen after Christmas. Doesn't it look lovely? Oh, there's a couple things on the counter. Let's step into the dining room. It gets a little bit worse. There's a giant basket of clean laundry, a coat, gift, bag of medicine, bunch of miscellaneous stuff, a child eating breakfast, these shelves, which are overloaded on the bottom now with things we were gifted for Christmas. And there it gets worse. No, we weren't robbed or attacked. The children built a train station. They had all the chairs they could find and were making a train and a train station in this room, and it got messy with broken styrofoam that they were using for snow at the train station. There's a peanut butter jar for the dog that I guess he's done with. And this is what we woke up to this morning. So the boys and I here are going to do something about it. My daughter's still asleep. So we're going to jump in and take care of this after breakfast. The front window isn't too bad. It's just my usual Christmas stuff that's in here. And then some diapers that were delivered yesterday that I need to put away. Here's a half-eaten Elsa doll by that guy right there, the dog. I am a culprit. That is my sweater that I threw right there. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I started by clearing off the table. This is a wooden airplane project that my daughter's working on and needed a little help. So we're going to wait to do that. And I'm just going to put things ready to go upstairs or ready to go downstairs. I'm just going to put things where they go first before I start cleaning. The mesh bag trick is genius. You guys, thank you so much for this suggestion. I didn't even know that these existed. And it is so great for keeping socks together and matching them and putting them away. And so then we moved on to getting everything that's supposed to be in the homeschool room in the basement back downstairs. So we're taking apart their train and their train station and putting everything back where it belongs in the basement.
Light. dark clouds, I will always be your guiding light.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
The kids were being so helpful, and my daughter had woken up that I decided to tackle the bottom half of this shelf and really decide where everything needs to go in the house, because it doesn't belong on this shelf. So it either belongs in their rooms or in the homeschool room. So we started doing that.
Even if the sky is falling down, jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
I was on a roll and just decided to put away Christmas. It really didn't take very long at all to package back up and put away back in the attic. Having a minimally decorated Christmas was fantastic. We enjoyed a lot of our favorite things, a lot of our favorite decorations. I still had quite a lot out to enjoy throughout the month of December, and it was very easy to put away and clean up. I am so happy with how we did Christmas this year.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep.
The kids had played with styrofoam and turned it into snow at their train station, and it really got out of hand. So it took me a long time to clean up all the little pieces because they kept getting stuck to the vacuum with static electricity, or they just weren't being sucked up by the vacuum. But we got it all in the end, and the boys helped me move the furniture as I went along.
Here together. If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
While I was cleaning this room today, this shelf just kept haunting me. All the stuff that's on here doesn't really have to be on here. So I decided to give this a good once over with a clean rag and really dust it off and get it clean. I took everything off while the kids ran around with the dog. It's freezing outside today, so they didn't want to play outside, and I don't blame them. So while I was doing that, they were just running around and playing. But I pulled everything off, and I also pulled everything off the bottom, and kind of surprised myself with what I really had left over to put back on here. And you'll see why.
Waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Look at this shelf now. It looks ridiculous. There's nothing on here anymore. I think it's time for me to get rid of this piece of furniture. Moved on to cleaning in the dining room, just dusting the final pieces in the shelves here and figuring out what I want to put on them, and cleaned off the kitchen shelves and did the same thing. Just kind of moved some things around the house, some decorations that I really like and I wanted to feature on the shelves in the kitchen and in the dining room. I mean, for real, look at this. The stuff that's on here is only on here because this shelf is here and it looked ridiculous bare. So I just put a couple things on there, but I really think it's time for us to get rid of this shelf. I loved it when I first got it, but it's not serving our minimalist life anymore. Front window is clear. That's just a gift for my grandma. And the front table under the window is clear, or under the TV rather is clear. These are the books that need to go up to the kids' room, and I missed the penguin. I have to put him away in the attic. And here's our puppy, Ranger. He's so cute. He did not help at all today. Well, he kept the kids busy, I guess. That's a help. Still got to tackle the kitchen. But the homeschool room is done, the family room and the dining room. At least they're all clean and reset for a new year. Happy New Year. Thank you for watching.